Changsha Better Printer Intelligent Technology Company is a high-tech enterprise specializing in the research and the development, production, and the sales of industrial inkjet printing control systems, printer boards, DTF printer, etc. It is located in the National Economic and Technological Development Zone, where there are lots of large production-oriented enterprises, and the occupying area is 150,000 square meters.
Welcome to Better Print Intelligent Technology Company.
That is printing. They must have better printer.
有打印，有回应。
Better Printer was established in 2017. The company pays special attention to research and development and technical services. It focuses on deep research fields such as ink dot control, image processing algorithm, RIP color processing, printer head driving, and electronic circuits, and strives to promote the innovation and development of printing technology.
We have a professional, technical, and after-sales service team with rich experience in this field. Our software and programs are updated in real time according to customer needs. Better Printer holds regular meetings every week, and each employee will communicate during meeting and adjust their work status to maximize their work potential. Better Printer has a strong culture atmosphere. They focus on staff leisure after work. Better Printer has always taken the development of high-quality products as our goal, and independently developed a variety of inkjet printing schemes and matched printer boards. Our products are widely used in advertising, photo, decoration, packaging, and printing, clothing, metal, toys, ceramics, and other industries.
Better Printer have been exported to 15 countries and are highly appraised by our foreign customers. The following video from customer on site for demonstrating printing effect directly.
Beiying Intelligent has a professional packaging and delivery team and ensures that the goods are packed firmly and delivered to customers' site.
We are here waiting for your coming.
欢迎来公司参观指导。
Ether.com makes foreign trading easier.